So welcome to another Quick Tip Thursday, and today I'm here to show you another way to animate without using keyframes. This time I'm gonna use the XY Path Modifier. So let's jump in the computer and let me show you how easy it is. So here we are inside of the edit page, and I'm gonna drag here a video clip of a walk in the street in the night, and I'm gonna animate some text, or you can animate anything that you want using this method. So let's select our clip, and we can go to the Fusion tab, and let me hide here the spline. So here we are inside of the Fusion tab, and I'm gonna add just a simple text to over here, drag it over here. I'm gonna connect it here to the output of the media one. It creates this merge. Let's select the text one, and I'm gonna add a transform node. So in here, I'm gonna type night walk, and let me change this, something like this, and let me put it like this. And let's go to the first frame. I'm gonna come here to the transform, and I'm gonna come here to the center. I'm gonna animate the position. So here in the center, in the inspector, I'm gonna right click and modify with XY path, the last option over here. And we can come here to the modifier. We have these options, but I don't wanna use this. I'm gonna use only here. So in the first frame, I'm gonna resize it. I'm gonna put the text here out of frame, and I'm gonna come here, for example, 25 frames, and I'm gonna put the text over here. In the 50, I'm gonna move it a little bit over here. 80, let's try to center our text. And now let's put it down. And it's done. So as you can see, it's very easy. Now if we play it, it will appear and it will follow. Try to stay in the positions that we defined, and goes out. As you can see, the movements are not very smooth, so you can come here to the spline. You can select the transform over here, come here to the scale to fit, and select everything and press S to smooth everything. Now, if you play it, it will do exactly the same, but with a smoother movement. And if you go to the edit page, it's here, and it's doing its thing. It's animating without any keyframes. Now, this is one way of doing. You do it directly into your clip, or you can do it like create a new Fusion composition. Let's logo anim, and let's open the logo anim Fusion composition. Let me hide here the splines. As always, I want to start with the background node with the alpha to 0, and I'm gonna add in this time here the Davinci Resolve logo, and I'm gonna connect here to the background output. And after this, I'm gonna do exactly the same. Add the transform mode, select the transform node, center, modify with XY path in the first frame, and I'm gonna, for example, move it here, and I'm gonna come here to the 12th frame, move the logo over here, and 24, move it here, do something like this. In this case, it's only for exemplifying. It's the same. Let's go over here, and now let's go out over here. And you can do the same, spline, select the transform, here zoom to fit, and now do the same S, and here we have it. And if we go to the edit page, we can now add our logo anim, and it will do the same. But in this case, you can, for example, add here the clip, and you can add it to over the clip and animate and use it in multiple situations. So I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I launch a video. Until there, bye!